In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and schedule an event using Google Calendar, incorporating Google Meet for a seamless virtual meeting experience. If you're ready, let's dive in and get started with these easy steps. First, open your web browser of choice. Whether you prefer Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or any other browser, it doesn't matter. Just click on the icon and let's head to the vast world of the internet. Once your browser is up and running, navigate to the search bar. Here, we're going to type in Google Calendar. It's as simple as that. Hit enter and watch the search results load up. Among the results, you should see the official Google Calendar link. Go ahead and click on that. This step takes us right into Google Calendar where all the magic happens. If you're not already signed in, you might need to do so using your Google account credentials. Now that we're in the Google Calendar interface, let's get ready to create a new event. In the upper left corner, there's a Create button, sometimes represented by a colorful plus icon. Click on that, and a window will promptly appear, allowing us to fill in all the necessary details for our event. First things first, every good event needs a name. In the title bar, type the name that best fits your meeting or event. Be as specific as possible to ensure everyone invited knows exactly what this event is about. Next, let's ensure our event includes a virtual meeting option. Click on the option that says Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. This feature allows all attendees to join through a virtual meeting link, making it super convenient for remote connections. Once you click on this, the unique Google Meet link will be generated and attached to your event automatically. Isn't that handy? Now that we've set our event and included video conferencing, it's time to save these details. At the bottom of this creation window, you'll find the Save button. Click it, and just like that, your event is scheduled. You've now got yourself a digital placeholder on your calendar, fully equipped with a Google Meet link, ready for the day and time you've specified. Take a moment to explore your Google Calendar, find the event you just created and click on it. You should see all the details neatly laid out, including the Google Meet link. From here, you and your participants can join the meeting at the scheduled time simply by clicking the link. Congratulations! You've just set up a Google Calendar event with Google Meet, setting you up for smooth sailing to manage your time and meetings efficiently.